So my fender mirror on my truck is broken. The duct tape finally gave way, and I bought a whole new mirror bracket to put on here because I really like using these for turning corners and backing up. So I figure I just will fix it, and they were less expensive than I thought. So hopefully this turns out to be a pretty easy project and not too big of a deal. Fortunately, I got the shop full of other stuff, so I got to do this outside. And, I don't know, it's super cold today. We'll see how far I get. Let's see if we can buzz this off. Yep. Turn it off. Well, that was easy. Well, I brought the mirror inside. I decided I'd set it up the same as the old one because that fit pretty well. I can get it adjusted pretty close in here. Do some fine tuning out there. There's the new one. Here's the new box. For fun, I'll put a link for this thing in down below. I was going to buy just that piece, and I want to say it was $60 for the entire assembly. What you see right here, mirror, bracket, mounts. So I thought, well, no sense in just diddling a little bit because there's a fair amount of rust on it here, and here, and there, and there. The other one actually, one rusted off right here in the top bracket. From here up to the mirror, fell off. So, figured I just will replace it. Get something a little nicer. Hopefully this thing lasts a long time. The other one lasted 2 years, so yeah, we ought to get a couple years out of this. Let's see how easy this is to do. Can't be rocket science. I'm doing it. Right? Let's do a lot of swearing. Time will tell. These around, and they will go underneath the tire. Not real handy. Get them too tight and probably crack the fiberglass. Just a guess. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I think I can drop the hood and we'll see how this works out. That's how we do that. That'll work. Back the other way and tighten this up. The other ones are standing about straight up like that. 9/16 ratchet wrench in my pocket. All right. Tighten everything up. Squeaky, why don't you go in when I open the door, huh? I think you'd be happier. Instead of changing your mind, climbing up on the truck, you gonna come see me, huh? You can come see me, it's okay. Come on. Come on, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Come on, Squeaky. Squeaky, you gonna say hi? Come on. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty. You want the shiny thing? She's getting back. She's gonna go back inside. Almost guaranteed.